the kids say, no cap. Oh, it feels good for real, man. Oh, man. It does.
Just let this relax. There you go. This side. Oh, yeah. There it was. There it was. This side. There you go. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Did you feel that most of the way down your back?
Oh, yeah.
Been doing it for a long time, and I mean, that's as good adjustment, as thorough adjustment as I've ever had.
Very good.
Yeah, no, I really appreciate you guys. That was awesome.
Thanks. Here. Yep. Yep. On your back. Yep. Did you feel that one?
I felt it.
Did you feel it all the way
I
down?
felt it all the way down to my tailbone.
Very good. Very good. Was that different than the Y strap?
100%. The Y strap, you just feel it's more your neck.
Oh, yeah. This side, totally relax here. There's my finger. One more. Good. Near my tracks, and it comes out of nowhere. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Oh, there you go. There it was. There you go. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. That was amazing. Did you feel that all the way down?
Oh, yeah, dude. Oh, that was amazing.
Oh, yeah. Now you know why it's called the ring finger.
Yeah.
Still kicking. Keep her teeth together. Yep.